Hi there, students. Stingy, an adjective. Stingily, the adverb. Stinginess, the noun for the quality. Okay, if you say somebody is stingy, you mean that they are not generous. They don't like spending money. They spend as little money as possible. So my uncle is so stingy that he tries to recycle his toilet paper. Okay, stingy. Somebody who is unwilling to spend money. You can also use stingy to say very small in amount. So they gave us a very stingy portion of food for lunch. Scant, small, insufficient, meagre. Okay, so a stingy person is ungenerous. They're not willing to share. They're not willing to give. They're not willing to spend. And if you describe something as stingy, it's saying it's not very much, it's not nearly enough. So a stingy meal. He was very stingy with details about what he had done. My company is really stingy when it comes to spending money on its workers. Yeah, they're really stingy with their salaries. They're not generous. They're mean-spirited. They scrimp and save. They don't want to spend money. Okay, so yeah, they're tight-fisted as well. Okay, so let's try this. Stingy, penny-pinching, miserly, scrimping, avaricious, niggardly, ungenerous, tight-fisted, uh, close-fisted. They're very, very mean. So I think maybe Europe is very stingy with the aid that it gives to the third world. A stingy amount, a meagre, inadequate, skimpy, scant, measly, small amount. Okay? Stingy, formality. I think I'd probably give it a 4.5 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, but no further. And then as to origin, maybe it comes from the verb to sting, but that's not very clear. Okay, so stingy, mean, ungenerous. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Stingy.